Maintenance staff can access the filter bags on the clean air side of the filter. The leg spring is loosened and the filter bag, along with the spacer mat, can be removed. This makes the maintenance of the filter bags safer and easier compared to a top removal of filter bags in typical pulse jet filters. The roller bearings do not require greasing, making them maintenance-free. The cleaning carriage is driven by a chain rope drive and fed over a guide rail with expansion compensator. The cleaning carriage and the cleaning nozzle are positioned by a maintenance-free indexing disc. The dust is discharged from the hopper and screw conveyor by a rotary valve. Below the rotary valve, conveying systems or big bags can be connected.